Ready? My name is Roger Gordon. I've been coming here to Dr. McCullum for a year now. I'm coming to get treated for my keloid. It was really, really bad at one point. Roughly at this time a year ago, it was probably about 3 or 4 times the size that it is now, and it was growing and hurting even more. Quite frankly, I almost gave up because I really didn't know what to do. So I actually went online and started searching for some solutions. I found Dr. McCullum and his what do you call it, the procedure for treatments for what is this called?
Liquid nitrogen.
For liquid nitrogen, right? And it was the best thing that I ever did. Quite frankly, right now things are going very well. It's been just under a year.
1 year tomorrow.
1 year tomorrow, in fact. And it really saved me because I was actually bordering on depression because I thought I was just going to have to live with this thing and it was just going to grow and take over the whole back of my head and so forth and so on. But I found a solution.
Good.
And the solution is Dr. McCullum and his procedure, and it's been a lifesaver.